Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and black pawns are going downward in this direction. So white is winning this despite down in material in 2 extra pawns. So I'm going to explain to you the general idea of this puzzle so that you can solve the puzzle easily. So as you can see here, white is down in material, but black is not in a good position. So that is what we are going to exploit. So black has a queen. The first thing we should do is not let black give us check. So if we just give a check, black wouldn't get a time to give us check. So that is one takeaway. And the other thing is we have to cover some squares with our queen to not let black give us check and exploit black's weak position. So that is the general idea of this puzzle. As always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the first move is queen move, obviously, and we have plenty of ways to move the queen, but the best move is queen to a d7 check. And most of you guys would get the first correct move because it's a check. There is no any move that looks logical, and so this is the move, you might say, and that is correct. So what is going on now? The king can't move anywhere. Like I said in the beginning, the king is not in a good position, meaning we have to exploit this. So now black has to block the check either with the pawn or with the queen. So if black defends the check with the pawn, this is going to be very easy for us. We play queen to d1 and it's game over, right? Black is going to be checkmated this way. So black has to block this with the queen. That is the best response by black. And now what we are going to do is give another check. So now this forces black to block the check again with the queen by playing queen to b4. And now what we are going to do is play queen to d3. Now see, it's a zugzwang. Black is in a zugzwang position. So the black king can't move because of the queen. And like I said in the beginning, if you remember, we have to not let black give us check. So the queen previously had these 2 safe squares to give a check on our king so that black would get time to fix its position. But now these 2 are covered by our queen. So that is why I mentioned that thing in the beginning. So now black is absolutely paralyzed and can't make a single good move. And the thing about this is actually pretty funny. This is not the only thing that we have created. We are treating checkmate on a3 and on b3. So black can't just play a move like this because this is going to be checkmate, and black can't just move away with the queen because this is going to be another checkmate. So the black queen has to defend both these 2 squares. So how can the black queen defend both of these squares? Well, the answer is going to be no. The black queen cannot defend these 2 pieces, and black has to move any piece in the next move. If black pushes the pawn, this is going to be the follow-up. We have seen this position earlier, and if black moves the queen, it doesn't matter where black moves. If black moves to b5, we simply play queen to a3 to checkmate. And if black moves the queen somewhere, let's say here, we are going to deliver checkmate on b3, and this is going to be the solution of the puzzle. The engine, I mean, recommend this move, and then the engine recommend to flee with the king, but at the end we are going to be the winner since we have a queen in a good position. So this is the solution of the puzzle. For recap, first we are going to play queen to d7. This forces black to block the check, so black would play queen to b5, blocking the check, as that is the best move for black and make black survive for longer. So we play queen to d4 check, and now we force black to block the check once again, and we play queen to d3, and this puts black in zugzwang, where black has to make a move, but all black moves result in a bad position for black, and we are going to win the game this way. So this is the solution. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.